All right, NOLA Gent here. We got a package. We got the goat, hot lips, and the Commodore here.
All right.
Yeah.
What's in the package?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Gotta see what's in here. Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll.
That's the.
Don't cut yourself
Oh,
now.
safety first, always. He wasn't a Boy Scout. He's not allowed to have a knife. Oh,
was a Cub
wait,
Scout.
what's in here? Oh!
Wow.
Oh! Kiss!
Ah!
Kiss coffee.
Whoa!
Yes. Yes.
Kiss Alive
All right.
Brew!
So now you see
Good
this
stuff.
guy right here, Ace Frehley? If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't play guitar today. Thank goodness for Ace Frehley, huh?
Ace.
Ah.
So the origins of the coffee are Brazil and Honduras. It's a sweet chocolate and dark cocoa finish.
Nice.
I don't know about my coffee and chocolate mixed together. We'll have to check on that. Let's
I
see.
used to add chocolate.
Sounds yummy.
Interesting. So we got 2 of the 4 collection that they have for their Kiss Alive brew. The one we have here, the one we have here is bag 4 of 4, the Spaceman.
Otherwise known as Ace Frehley.
And then this is bag 2 of 4,
Should be the demon.
the Demon.
Gene Simmons.
All right, so which one do y'all want to drink, the Demon or the Spaceman?
Ace, baby, Ace.
All right, so that's what we're gonna go with. Let's brew some of this up and see how it turns out. We'll be right back. All right, we brewed the coffee. It's time to taste.
Ladies
We're gonna
first.
start off with what city are you over here?
Boston.
I got New Orleans.
Yeah, you right.
What'd you
I've
get?
got New York.
Oh, New York.
Apple.
Where the coffee's from.
Woohoo.
The coffee company. The coffee is from the coffee regions.
I got San Francisco, but we won't talk about all that. Thank you, sir.
This coffee's actually from Brazil and Honduras. All right.
All right.
Cheers.
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 Woo.
Take this up. Okay,
What's that
on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Whoa!
I wanna rock and roll all night
And
party every day.
I
Wanna rock and roll all night.
and
party every day. Wanna rock and roll all night. Party every day.
All right, look at here.
All right.
Woo.
Yes, baby.
Now we're gonna try a little adult beverage mixture with the coffee.
I've
See how
already
that
tried
mixes in. So let's see. A little Irish coffee. It's nothing like the smell of victory in the morning.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Mr. Jim Beam got me through a lot of my wayward college years. Everybody needs coffee.
This is good stuff.
All right.
Really, yum, yum, yum.
Coffee.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Woo.
Like it. Good stuff.
Yep.
Here's.
Commodore, what do you think of the coffee?
You know, if I didn't have this, I'd be passing out on the boat.
Which boat?
You know, all the boats I sail
Your
on.
Kiss boat.
The Kiss boat, you know, because I know they do have the Kiss boat, and that's the one I'm sailing.
You're going on the Kiss cruise?
I'm going to the Kiss cruise on the Kiss boat, and I'm gonna drink my coffee on the Kiss boat.
And Hot Lips, what do you think about this?
I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
I think it's
Rock and roll,
yeah.
nice and good coffee.
I think
need
it
some more
tastes like
coffee.
rock and roll and
That's
victory.
right. Rock and roll.
Victory! Yeah! Yeah!
What's the goat think about
I love it. This great stuff. I highly recommend it for those that just need a little edge. Boom!
it? Speaking of an edge,
Gotcha.
wait, I've already got some Jim Beam. Why not add a little maker's mark to really make our mark?
See, these guys don't know what they're doing. This is the goods right here, everybody. You wanna really have some fun? There's your fun.
That
Party in a bottle.
was lots of trouble back
Party
in my
in a bottle.
wayward youth. Yeah, cheers.
Woohoo.
Bros.
All Right.
Oh yeah, that's even better. Nothing like a little Kiss coffee and whiskey to make the world a better place. So, anybody else got any ideas of what we're gonna do to rock out?
Net, rock on, rock on.
Rock on with your bad self. Rock on with your bad self.
Because I'd like a little caffeine and whiskey to make your world get way more interesting.
All right.
And there's no festivals that we're going to go to at all later, so we're not going to even know anything about this theoretical, mysterious, legendary seafood festival going on with some other music, but there's no Kiss later, unfortunately, at this festival. But we have another festival we might go to. So, the Goat's dangerous. Mr. Commodore here, though, I don't know. He may or may not be busy on his boat, so we have to see what happens.
I'll be out at sea, I think.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll meet you on the shore at the festival.
See you then.
Yeah!
Bye now.
Bye-bye.
So don't forget, destroy that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought about this great coffee, and hey, make sure to share this video with your friends or contacts that would enjoy it. Thanks so much to the official coffee sponsor of the NOLA Gent Channel, the Dead Sled Coffee Company, that provided this awesome Kiss coffee. If you want to order it, I've got a link to their website below. We have a 20% discount code, which is NOLA, N-O-L-A, that works for most products at Dead Sled Coffee, but discount codes are not applicable to the limited edition Kiss Coffee series. So go check it out and make sure to try it out and drink more coffee because we all need more caffeine to keep rocking out. And tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people here. Yeah!
Rock on!
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you would just click on the little circle here with a picture of my head in there and subscribe to the NOLA Gent channel, it would really help me a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you.